The next thing I want to talk about is that the extrude command gives us a couple of options if we want to extrude rather than just vertically extrude the 2D drawing for us. So let me go and draw a circle here. So assume I have this circle here. So if I go and click on the extrude command and select the object I want to extrude, so this is the one I want to extrude, and then press enter. Now as soon as I press enter, look at, there are gonna be a couple of options here. It's gonna be the direction, path, taper, angle, and expression. So I can go ahead and click either of these ones. So I start from this one, and basically when I select on that one, it asks me with what angle you want to extrude it. Look at here, right now it just extruded vertically. But assume I don't want to go up vertically. I want my wall goes, for example, inward or outward. So I can come here, click on that, and then you will see that it will ask me which angle you want to do that. Let me do that again. So if I click on that, select on that, press enter, and then choose the angle, and then it will ask you what angle you want to do that. So I assume I'm saying I want to have the 5, the angle should be 5, and then press enter, and then it says okay which direction you want it. So I can come here and put it here. It says goes up with angle of 5. So let's make it a little bit steeper. So let me go back again, click on the extrude, select the object you want, press enter, and click here, and this time, for example, choose the angle of 30, and then you'll see, for example, up 100, and you see that it will extrude it, what with the angle is not going up anymore vertically. It gives you some angle. The same here if I have the for example the rectangle, it will do the same thing. If I go ahead and click on the extrude, select the rectangle, press enter, come here, choose this one, and for the angle again, for example here, choose 20 degrees, and then move it up for 150, and you'll see instead of bringing the wall vertically, it gives the 20 degrees angle. Or you can go outward instead of going inward if you give the angle negative. So this is one of the you can have the angle vertical wall, or you can extrude it with an angle.